viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 4 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is words, right? So in this chapter हम लोग बात करेंगे about the words. So let's begin with this and see what they're trying to tell us. Look at the following groups of letters. तो जल्दी से groups of letters की तरफ देखते हैं, right? So it says TBA. So does it give any meaning? No, it is not, right? तो जब हमने इन words को पढ़ा that is TBA, तो क्या हमें कोई मतलब समझ आया? No, obviously not, क्योंकि ये simple words हैं. Now read the same group of letters once again. अब इन्हीं group of letters को एक बार दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं, जो कि है B-A-T. So yeah, this time this is making meaning, right? We got the meaning of this word. So the letters have now been placed in their proper order. तब इस letter में, इस word में जो letters हैं वो अपने एक proper order में arrange किए गए हैं, right? And they form a word bat. और इसीलिए ये एक word बना रहे हैं जो कि है bat, right? So now they are asking that what is a word? तो अब एक word आखिर क्या होता है? So they say a group of letters which gives some meaning is called a word. तो एक ऐसा letters का group जो कि कोई meaning हमें provide करे, उसे कहा जाता है एक word. Correct? Now, look, read and understand the letters. तो जल्दी से इन सभी letters को देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं इन सभी words को. Right? So, it is boy, girl, pencil, bag, temple, mosque, Gurudwara, church, right? Now, we have some things to learn over here. Let's see that what they are telling us. So it is letter I is also a word. कि letter I जो है वो भी एक word है. When it is used as a word, it is always written in capital as I. तो जब भी हमें इसे word की तरह यूज करना होता है तब हम इसे capital I के form में हमेशा लिखते हैं, right? We use it for ourselves, just like I am a girl, correct? So here I is a word, right? Next, words can be short or long. कि words जो हैं वो long भी हो सकते हैं और short भी हो सकते हैं, correct? For example, examples के तौर पे हमें यहाँ कुछ words दिए हुए हैं. So they say, go is a word having 2 letters only. It is a short word. तो go एक ऐसा word है जिसमें सिर्फ 2 ही letters हैं. तो इसीलिए go एक short word है. But aeroplane is a word having 9 letters. It is a long word. पर aeroplane एक ऐसा word है जिसमें 9 letters हैं. तो इसीलिए ये एक long word है. Correct? Now, talking about the exercises, let's come downwards. So, first of all, we have the exercise A, which says, look at the pictures and make the correct words from the jumbled letters. तो इन पिक्चर्स की तरफ देखते हैं और यहाँ पर कुछ हमें जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स दिए हैं जिन्हें हमें एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. लेट्स डू इट. सो हियर वी हैव चेयर. सो द चेयर बिकम्स CHAIR, right? And hence we have arranged these words in a proper order and it has become a word, right? Next, it is a cock. 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 Next, it is a tiger. 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 Next, table. Table. Right? Next is a bird. So it is bird. Birds. Next, it is a horse. Horse. So it becomes a horse over here. Now, the next thing that we are talking about is the next exercise, which is exercise B, and it says write the names of the given pictures. So यहाँ पर जितनी भी pictures हमें दी गई हैं उनके नाम लिखने हैं. So in the first image we can see that this is a ball. So let's write ball over here. BALL. Next, we can see that this is the image of a car. So let's write a car over here. CAR, car. Next is grapes. So let's write grapes over here. GRAPES, grapes. Correct? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the words and you all enjoyed learning it. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.